Gold and silver has seen a good rise today, and you know the reason why. As I explained in the morning video in the Asia session, that there was a possible retracement upside, and both have now seen the good resistance levels. So, what to expect today with the US session? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated. At the same time, you can also join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly chart. See the drop there, the retracement, the drop, the retracement, and still it is not yet reached the levels, that is 1960 and 1965. So this should be still be considered as a retracement, not a reversal. But yes, there is a very good support seen here at 1940. With that as support, it is trying to rise. Also, if you look at, this is still trading in this bearish channel. Now see on the hourly charts, you can find out the moving averages have started to converge. It has converged till towards the 50 period exponential moving average. And now the possibility, see, you can see here, first of all, after creating the base, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. It means it has to breach on the downside in order to confirm a breakdown. Now you can sell here at 1948 levels, but then 1944, 1943 levels, the first support, and 1940, the next support. Only if it trades below 1940, you can confirm that it is trading bearish, as possibility of a bounce back exists. Also, if you look at the last few candles on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Hence, at least till 1950 levels, one should try the rise in 1948 levels. I will not recommend you to sell, and possibility for it to retrace till 1948 also exists strong. Now see, the stochastic has dropped. The MACD is still divergent and bullish. See, the candle size have started to converge, and here one should remain cautious because couple of convergent candles, which means can bring a little more drop. RSI flat, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart, the consolidation, the break, the consolidation, the break, the consolidation or retracement, and hence it is still very much in the retracement levels. Also, if you look at the 3-hour chart, see the complete movement engulfed between this candle 1960-65 is still a very good raise, and gold shying away from breaking on the downside and taking the support from the 20 period is a good indication that it might remain bullish. You can buy here at 1960 levels only. Beyond 1960 till 1965, extremely good resistance exists, and hence those who want to trade safe should immediately put the stop loss at your entry price, so that in case of a reversal on the downside, your trade closes without any loss. Now see, the stochastic was overbought looking downside. At the same time, the MACD has crossed over. Trading is still with divergence, but the candle size have started to flatten here. Let's watch more. RSI is also flattened, and likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. On the 3-hour charts, we have seen the previous candle as a slightly red candle. Possibly this candle can try to stress the drop a bit. It can try to pull it down. Now see what you can see here, the drop retracement, same observation, and it is retraced beautifully. Now it starts to drop here, and if it breaks below 1940, more bearishness can be seen. The stochastic back to overbought zone, the MACD has crossed over, trading with very little divergence on the 3-hour chart. RSI almost flat, and on the 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, one important observation here is the previous candle. The candle size, you can see the body is very small and the shadow is big. It means prices fail to stay bullish, and we have seen a good pullback here. At the same time, if you look at it, is trying to trade in this bullish channel, and hence any drop below 1948 levels. See, 1950 is still the bottom of the previous channel. Let it break below 1948 and then you can sell. But then also 1945, 43, 40, very good support. Every $2-3 exists till 1940 levels, and hence one should remain very cautious and alert till 1941 has to be extremely watchful. Stochastically traced, MACD trying to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat. Likewise on the daily charts, similar is the observation. After two extremely bearish candle, after a breakout from the 1954 levels, it has tried to fall back within the zone. Now getting a little resistance at the same level. What it could probably do, see already you can see this lower lows, lower highs, which means a possibility of it to strike till 1960-65 exists. Hence one should remain extremely cautious till then. 1965 should be a safe entry, but it is a little far, hence one has to be watchful at If you are taking an entry at 1960, remember it can get a pullback. Stochastic looking down, MACD is still bearish here. RSI is almost flat at bottom. Hence, to gain the most from a little move on the upside, you can buy here at 1956. But then be cautious for 1960, 62, 65 levels. Very, 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 very good resistance till 1965 is there. Beyond that, it may try to rise more till towards 1970 levels. And a possible reversal below 48 is seen, where you can find it getting the resistance on the downside till 40. We have to be extremely cautious and watchful in between 1940 and 65 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver here. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals group, where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Silver on the hourly charts, on the other hand, is trading in extremely bullish channel. It is trying to retrace a little, and now 2320 it has done. 2320 certainly is a very, very good resistance, and it is almost at the same levels. Now on the upside, 2330, 2340, these are the two levels. Only if it trades beyond this zone. Now see, the previous consolidation was this levels, where the median is at 2340, the high at around 2350, and low at 2330. So this zone in between 2330 to 2350 is going to be the strong resistance zone for silver. At the same time, since it has seen a rise, if you see it dropping below 2310, you can sell again, but then 23 very, very good support, and then bearishness is only going to be seen if you see it trading below 2290, 2280 levels. That is the level below which it may try to trade bearish, and hence the potential sell entry can be taken at 2310. Now see, on the hourly charts, stochastic running extremely overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, and RSI has almost come to overbought levels also. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, on the other hand, see, similarly it has seen a good rise with the bottom here. Possibly once it drops below 2310, that could trigger again for a downward move, else it is still trying to trade bullish. And on the 2-hour chart, the story is different. See, this is the bearishness there. The consolidation zone was here in between 2310, 2320. It has tried to breach past those levels here on the upside, which is still slightly a bullish indication. Also, the moving averages have started to converge here, which were trading with divergence. Hence, little more bullishness cannot be denied here. The stochastic overbought, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone, and similar is the story on the 3-hour charts as well. And hence a potential sell entry at 2310 can bring it to 23, and only bearishness is if you see it trading below 23. Stochastic overbought, MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish. RSI has looked upwards, trading flat. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, so far it was divergent here, it has converged till here. Now trying to look upwards. How far? 2350 cannot be denied if it stays above 2330 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD has crossed over, it is still bullish, trying to trade with divergence. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, lower lows, higher highs are seen here. We have to be watchful, we have to be cautious, we have to be extra cautious. Also, we have seen that 4 red candles, series of red candles, and then this reversal candle. This could potentially trigger a reversal if it stays. Now this is the zone 2330, 2350. If it stays above 2330, more bullishness can be seen. At the same time, look at the daily stochastic. This has come to oversold zone. The MACD is still bearish, trying to converge here. RSI was oversold, trying to come out, and hence you can buy here at 2330 levels and expect 40, 50, 60. Till 60, we should not consider this for a reversal. Beyond 60, we can see it flying further high. It can do wonders. It can try to break past 80 also if it stays bullish from there, because this is a maximum resistance zone at 23, 30, 40, 50 and 60. This is the maximum resistance zone for silver for today. On the downside, you can sell here at 2310, but then expect 2290, 2280. Very, very good support at 2280 exists. Below that, it is going to break heavily on the downside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.